Happy Tuesday, everybody. Okay, right. You are looking at, is this a board or a room 55S? Let's have a look at the label. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so these are the up mount brackets for it. Okay, and then these will sit on top. Oh yes, there's the stand for it. Look, see? There you go. And there's the that's the crossbar, and those are the end stands. So that'll go on that. The boys are just packing everything up, as you can see. What else have we got here? Right, we've got. Okay, so we've got 2960X 48F PDLs. There's 60 of those going out to a customer, and they're still coming out. They're coming out the spray shop, and as you can see, they've been beautifully refurbished. Look at that; they look brand new again. And there's all the stacking modules going with it, and these ones have. So those have been boxed. So those will go into individual boxes. What else have we got here? Right now, so I'm going to go into the test room because there's a couple of interesting bits that have. Oh look, see, and in the spray shop, look, more of those 2960s, 48F PDLs. So those are being refurbished. Look, some more there. Oh my goodness me. Busy, all good. We love busy. Right, so what I wanted to show you is, okay, so we've got some C9300X-48HXN-A's, and those are, so they say 48 in the part number, but they're actually 36 port 5G mini gig switches with 12 port 10 gig in there. Not seen those before. So that's the C9300X48HNX-E's. Those have only just recently come out of Cisco. And just a quick look what else we've got in the test room. We've got a beast, a Nexus 7710. So that's a bundle. We're just testing that at the moment, and then it will go into the workshop for cleaning and dusting. And but we just wanted. We don't waste our time refurbishing anything until it's been tested first, because the failure rate of equipment going out of the door from Go Communications is less than 1%. But the records show that the failure rate for equipment coming into Go Communications is about 6%. So anyway, last but by no means least, we've got a C240 server. Oh, hang on a second. NAM, Network Analysis Module. That's what NAM stands for. This is a model 2320. This one has got, you can see it's absolutely fully loaded with drives. That's got the operating system on there. And we've got a little fix to do on this console port. So we will actually use a C240. We'll use a C240 console ear, anyway, so that has got the correct software on there. There's the username and password. We'll just hide that so you can't see it. Anyway, that's just so the engineer can get in, and once he log in, he'll obviously put his own username and password on afterwards. And yeah, so and we've got some, I think those are 8500s. Yeah, they are nice, those. Anyway, just a quick one for the day, waiting for a few more bits to come in a bit later. Gotta go, see ya, bye.